Hey, how's it going? I'm Simon. I'm with Happier Camper, and we are here at the Adventure Van Expo in Big Bear showcasing our new Adaptiv for van kits for the Sprinter 144 and the HC1 Studio. Happier Camper started in 2015 as a lightweight fiberglass travel trailer company, and we've been manufacturing travel trailers in the Los Angeles area since 2015. The name of the game for us is durability, longevity, and lightweightness. So our travel trailers can be towed by most standard vehicles, and the interior is fully modular. So what does that mean? Everything in here is not static, can be reconfigured on the fly. Your seating becomes your bedding. It also acts as your storage and fits within a grid system. So we like to think of it as adult Legos. Who doesn't love Legos? So the new HC1 Studio does come equipped with a wet bath, shower with dry flush toilet, so you don't have to deal with any septics. It also has a 2-burner stove, a pull-out fridge, and a heated sink. It is also still modular in the back. So you are able to build up to a queen-size bed with seating up to 6. The Adaptiv cubes act as your seating, your bedding, and your storage. So they are all hollow inside, and you can just jam them with stuff. They only weigh about 10 pounds each. Your kitchenette does come equipped with a 2-burner propane-powered stove, water-heated sink with an integrated cutting board, your 20-liter pull-out Dometic drawer fridge, extra storage here, and a big fiberglass storage compartment up top. You have your Truma heating system here with your vent, your water tank right here, your 4 AC outlets, and then your dual USB DC connection here. So the wet bath does come equipped with a heated shower, sink, dry flush toilet, so you never have to deal with septics, a completely fiberglass shelving system, also with a DC connection, a light, also with a ventilation fan here. If you're looking in here and you're like, I need more space, this dry flush toilet is not built in. So if you need more room, you are able to remove that dry flush toilet, give yourself a little bit extra space. With our Adaptiv system in the HC1 Studio, you can seat up to 6 and then build up to a queen size bed. And then just like magic, I have turned that seating into a queen size bed, so it is comfortable enough to sleep on. But for people who need a little bit more comfort, we also have these luxury memory foam toppers. It rolls down into 2 parts. And also, as you can see right here, it does roll up and makes a nice backrest when you want to use it for seating. Now that we got our HC1 Studio out of the way, let's talk about the real reason we're here, and that is our Adaptiv conversion kits for the Sprinter vans. So we have now taken that same Adaptiv system, and we are now offering conversion kits for the Sprinter 144 and the Sprinter 170. So we have taken the floor grid system that you see right here, and we've added that to the Sprinter vans. So you can convert these vans basically as you see fit. Right now I have the setup queen size bed right back here, and you can convert that into your seating for up to 6 right there. We have this really nice Dometic pull-out drawer fridge here, a microwave that actually does run off of your inverter. And again, you know, something to keep in mind is all this stuff is modular. So this microwave, this pull-out fridge can be used as a part of your seating or your bedding as well. We still use the same Sombrella fabric on all of our cushion covers right here. So they are weather resistant, meant to be used indoors and out. So we do have the kitchenette right here. And you do have the option to connect this to city water or use this off-grid with your 5-gallon water tank, which is right below here. The water tank is a USB powered water pump, so just flick that on. Everything in here is meant to be used indoors and out, so if you wanted to use this kitchenette outside, you absolutely have the option to do that. all you need to do if you want to use your water pump is connect to a DC connection, and that's what powers the water pump. So right now I have created a queen size bed back here, and that essentially is just using 3 grid spaces and then your fold down cushions here and your tabletops. So your tabletops, you know, when you're not using them as your dining, they slide in the center of your cubes and act as the centerpiece of your bed. So what I'm about to do right now is show you how this converts from your queen size bed into your seating for up to 6. And now that we've created enough seating for up to 6, you can see that you also have the option to get that beautiful fiberglass wall-to-ceiling finish. Super lightweight, looks incredible, also very easy to keep clean. And then you do have the option to upgrade to the fiberglass front wall kit that gives you a nice partition between your driver passenger seats and then the rest of your living space. Again, all fiberglass. None of this is ever going to rot, rust, or mold. It's super easy to keep clean, and it's also going to last generations while also being very lightweight and not putting a strain on your chassis. And finally, let's go check out the Sprinter 144 passenger van. This has the Adaptiv floor kit, but with the build-outs of the Mercedes Sprinter. This one still does have the same Adaptiv floor, modular grid system, so you can reconfigure everything in here on the fly, but it does have these beautiful windows, and then it is also already built out by Mercedes. But you do have the option to get the kitchenette, you could get a dry flush toilet, a shower cube system, and then you also do have this row of seats should you have more people with you, but you can also remove this seating as well, and then you have more living space. The biggest difference from the Mercedes passenger van and the cargo crew is that you already do have the interior floor to ceiling is already built in by Mercedes, so you do have all these incredible built-ins. So essentially you have the modular floor kit here. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking us out at the Adventure Van Expo in Big Bear. If you want to learn more, check out our website, happiercamper.com, or follow us on Instagram at happiercamper, and we'll see you out there.